Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross and I'm going to be showing you the available boot space and also the space in the rear seats as well. Now I noticed on some of the forums that people were a bit concerned with the boot space, but I can confirm it's actually huge once you fold the seats down, and there's a few other features that we've got as well. So the driver's seat is actually in the position I drove it here, and you've got a nice load of legroom in the back, and I'm just under 6 foot to give you an idea. Now you'll also notice that the rear seats are actually fairly laid back, and that's because they're in the laid back position. But what we can do is we can actually move the seats to different positions to more of an upright position if you need to increase your boot space. So I'll now show you in the boot of the car. Obviously moving our parcel shelf back, and it's actually a decent sized boot even with the seat in an incline position, but you'll notice you get a lot more space once you do put that seat in the upright position. Now being a hatchback, there's obviously another trick up its sleeve, and that is completely laying the seats flat. So the first thing we're going to actually do is take this seat belt out of here by just moving the material to that point there, and then we can move that down to the side. Then we can actually pull that lever and lay the seat completely flat. So we'll also repeat that on the other side. The other thing that we can do is quite easily remove the parcel shelf, and we can tuck that down here. So now that has created a really decent sized boot, and you can easily fit some skis in there, camping gear or whatever you need. And I'll just show it with the boot actually closed. And there we go. It's a very decent sized boot. Well, I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.